Hello everyone, I'm Richard Lloyd, Precision Livestock Manager and Innovation for Agriculture in the UK, pictured here many years ago. I'm speaking today on the use of data in dairy farming. I coordinated the Horizon 2020 thematic network 4D4F, Data-Driven Dairy Decisions for Farmers. 4D4F was a consortium of 16 partners from 9 countries. You can find greater detail on the practical use of dairy sensors on the 4D4F website. Whilst 4D4F has now concluded, it features as a network in the Horizon 2020 Nefertiti Farm Demo project. So what data do we collect from dairy cows? There's a long history of collecting performance data such as yield, fat, protein, somatic cell count, as well as conformation traits. However, sensors can also measure activity, rumination, location, temperature, rumen pH, milk analysis, condition score, methane, and social behaviour. Systems are often standalone, providing accurate timings on when to serve individual cows, and providing health alerts, directing the stock person to inspect sick cows and treat accordingly. The cows are monitored 24 hours a day, and increasingly these health alerts occur hours and even days before the issue would be seen visually. This not only improves animal welfare and farm profit, but the extra time often allows for non-antibiotic treatment, thus helping to reduce antimicrobial resistance. Data is also available at herd level, which can highlight nutritional issues and allow for optimizing building design and management practices. The economics of sensor technology obviously differs from farm to farm, but it is usual for the fertility benefits alone to provide a quick payback. With reducing sensor costs, the future undoubtedly involves multiple sensors. 4D4F's Research Priority Report highlights the need for research on integration of multiple sensors and data into one system to provide real-time information and action points for farmers to base decisions on. Combining sensor data with management data allows for the implementation of standard operating procedures, which can automatically contextualize the health alert. How much more valuable is an alert that says, rumination alarm in freshly calved third lactation cow indicates likely ketosis, suggests dosing with propylene glycol, than one that says, go and look at a potentially sick cow. Sensor information, combined with a comprehensive farm management system which records management actions and animal parentage, opens new possibilities in sustainable genetic improvement. It is easy to see the value in aggregating data, resulting in genomic evaluations on traits that not only make livestock farming more efficient and profitable, but also more appealing to an ever more discerning and environmentally and welfare conscious consumer. Longer living, more productive cows have a lower carbon footprint. Add this to a future ability to breed for lower methane emitting cows, and sensor data has the ability to become the ultimate tool in dairy farming sustainability. However, let's not underestimate the role that sensor data can have in improving the quality of life of those who work on the farm. The benefits are not all calculated in euros and cents. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to a stimulating discussion later. And remember, it is all about happy farmers, happy cows, and happy consumers.